Sir Boots. So they're making preparations for the judges.
Ayan, nandito po tayo sa Santa Cruz,
I think we
Philippines.
have a lot of singers lined up
11
today.
Annual Festival 24 Filipino-American Council of Texas, Houston, Texas po.
Sir Boots. Nandito chair. Nandito na pala mga only 3 chairs. Okay. Alright, so
Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo. Ingat po kayo kung nasan ba kayo naroon.
Who will be the one conducting the contest.
Santa Cruz.
Blessed good morning or good noon to everybody. Welcome to actually this is, I don't know how many years we have had this it's called the Phil Junior Singing Superstar, and I am actually volunteering to take charge of this particular event. Every year we look for outstanding talents who can really excel in their singing. So we would like
People,
to
thank you for watching.
ask
Bye-bye.
our board of judges to please take their seats over here. Maybe I should already call it.